Optimizing prompts for AI-generated content is crucial for achieving the best results. Optimization involves refining prompts based on the performance of the AI-generated content and adjusting them as necessary to improve performance. Here are some tips for optimizing prompts. Analyze the performance of the AI-generated content. Track metrics such as engagement, conversions, and click-through rates to understand how well the content is performing. Refine the prompts. Use the insights gained from analyzing performance to refine the prompts and improve the quality of the content being generated. Test and iterate. Test the refined prompts and iterate as necessary to achieve the best results. Consider external factors. Factors such as changes in the market, new competitors, or shifts in consumer behavior may require adjustments to the prompts to ensure that the content being generated remains relevant and effective. Monitor performance regularly. Regularly monitor the performance of the AI-generated content and adjust prompts as necessary to maintain or improve performance. By optimizing prompts, marketers can ensure that the AI-generated content is effective and aligned with the marketing goals. Optimization is an ongoing process, and regular monitoring and refinement are necessary to achieve the best results. In conclusion, creating effective prompts for AI-generated content requires a deep understanding of the AI model, a clear objective, and a focus on crafting clear, specific prompts. By following the tips outlined in this course, marketers can create high-quality AI-generated content that is relevant, engaging, and aligned with their marketing goals,